Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Aqilah binti Zulkarnain and my metric number is A19A0082. I will explain for the part of abstract and discussions. Firstly, abstracts. Aerocar aims to provide faster commutes than traditional modes of transportation for individuals, businesses and others. As a result of the significant time savings from flying versus driving, consumers will be given incentive. The company believes that fully autonomous vehicles will be able to classify the transportation network in the upcoming years. Flying cars have long been a science fiction fantasy. According to the further research, it could be a viable solution to traffic congestion and poor air quality. Meanwhile, the aviation authorities must establish safety policies and standards that will help this new mode of transport grow.
Thank you. My name is Aida and I will continue to explain about motivation. Recently, we have seen tremendous progress for the logistics industry in areas such as artificial and augmented intelligence, advanced analytics and others. These technologies have advanced faster than ever before, while newer solutions and innovation continue to emerge at a rapid pace. However, with this innovation come new expectations and standards, forcing logistic companies to adapt or fall behind. Customers, both individuals and businesses, are putting a lot of pressure on companies to deliver products and services faster and cheaper than ever before. The advancement of technology has pushed the boundaries and altered the way the world does business. Logistics industry also critical for improving lead time, maximizing efficiency, lowering costs and implementing just-in-time to achieve customer satisfaction. The logistic company last mile delivery is the most difficult to use or well established. There are numerous challenges in this space, such as traffic congestion and being limited to the hinterland along the parcel delivery route to the customer. As a result, packages that are supposed to arrive at the customer doorstep will be late. Aerocar can be used to deliver package from door to door in the logistic industry. A flying car invention as a replacement for truck and other road vehicle can reduce traffic congestion and speed up parcel delivery. Furthermore, because the parcel will not fall to the ground and become wet when it rains, this flying car is safe to use. A company and courier service can make deliveries without having to worry about road accident or traffic congestion. Aerocar is constructed of high-quality, long-lasting material. It has a door and a roof as a rain guard to keep the driver and cargo safe from the element. As a result, because the flying car is controlled by a trained driver, the parcel can be delivered safely without the risk of infection, and there is no need to meet face-to-face when the parcel arrives. Aside from that, the Aerocar tire design allows this technology to move on the road. This innovative technology can also carry an estimated load of 150 to 350 kg and fly at a speed of 257 km per hour and an altitude of about 50 meters. The concept of this Aerocar is electronic vertical takeoff and landing, which allow it to land vertically with zero emission. As a result, Aerocar represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be an incredible vehicle for continued growth in the logistics industry.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Azyan Zuliana binti Che Sub. My number matric is A19A0082. Okay, for my parts, I will present for the problem statement of Aerocar. The physical nature of flying cars was first the physical nature of automobiles that could be driven on the street and the potential to fly like an airplane. A Japanese firm now has the capacity to turn the vision of flying automobiles into a reality. Moreover, there is a deep desire in Malaysia to see the production of a flying automobiles known as an Aerocar. However, creating an Aerocar that floats in the air is challenging. This is due to various issues that are happening. First is security. The biggest issue, which is becoming more common as the technology becomes more widely used, is the potential of air crash. The other situation, such as unplanned or emergency that makes Aerocar landing in unfinished place below, with the danger of unwanted damage. Therefore, compliance with these laws is essential for safe flights. Although commercial flights are statistically safer than driving, private planes are not. There may not be many safety inspections on the Aerocar, and its pilots may be unskilled. Driving an automobile aircraft may fall from the sky as a consequence of intermediate air crash and mechanical failure. However, it may still make an emergency landing, which might result in death or property damage. Next, environment. Tiltrotor aircraft such as the V-22 Osprey produce a lot of noise. As a result, the hoist and actuator system must be quiet, have a safety shroud covering all moving parts such as rotors, and not produce excessive contamination. For the control, people in control of basic flying automobiles such as the Aerocar must be licensed road drivers and aircraft pilots. This includes controlling the aircraft, navigation, and emergency procedure, all of which must be conducted in potential crowded airspace. Fly-by-wire computers can also compensate for defects in flight dynamics, such as stability. Next, cost. The requirement for tiny and powerful propulsion system can only be satisfied by employing complex and costly technology. As a result, the production cost might approach $10 million. Last but not least, lift. A wide range of design technique has inherent weakness. Displaced propeller planes such as the Moller Skycar are prone to lose stability and are unable of reaching 30 to 40 knots of speed too far. No track and vertical landing vehicle has demonstrated adequate road capabilities. The autogyro has a powerful lifting rotor that generate lift depend on front airspeed. That's all for my parts. Thank you.
Now I will present for a part of discussions. Aerocar is a concept of electronic vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) humans driving, which can land vertically, which is zero emissions. Aerocar has an electric power engine that can go to 257 km per hour, speed powered by 119 horsepower via a 4-engine piston 1.6 liter V4. It can also transmit load weighing from 150 kg to 350 kg and fly up to 50 meters in the air. In our innovation, we highlight the logistic management objective of enhancing lead time, maximizing efficiency, lowering costs, and promoting just-in-time deliveries to meet the customer satisfactions. There is a system and components that is used for the Aerocar. First is electric hybrid motor. This electric hybrid motor is powered by an internal combustion engine and an electric motor. The battery can amplify the traditional load and reduce engine idling when stopped. It also can avoid air pollution and will give energy for the long terms. It has been designed to improve a fuel economy. After that, the second one is Full Authority Digital Control, or FedEx. The aim of FedEx is to provide optimal engine efficiency to specific flight conditions. It also allows manufacturers to program machines limits and receive machine health and maintenance reports. Engine operating parameters such as fuel flow, stator blade positions, air hemorrhage, valve positions, and more are calculated. Then the third one is artificial intelligence system, or we known as AI systems. AI systems are also being used with built-in machine learning algorithms to analyze flight data and each route's distance and altitudes, Aerocar type, and wake weathers, and more. And the fourth one is global positioning system, GPS satellite connections. Global navigation satellite system, or known as GPS, is used to track objects around the world. It is located at the head of 20,000 kilometers above the Earth and orbits with the speed of 14,000 kilometers per hour. The signals are transmitted at the speed of light by these GPS satellites. However, the safety of the innovation does not end with this one-of-kind of features. We are always concerned with putting safety first in all situations. The following safety features are available in this Aerocar is horn, seatbelts, airbag, parachuting safety. That's all from me. Thank you. I will pass for the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Shazwani Binti Sabri. My metric number is A19A008215. Now I will be presenting about my part, which is expected contribution. Many people have been anxiously anticipating the arrival of flying automobiles. Many firms have attempted to create a prototype by building a flying car, but they have yet to attain the needed standard. However, this flying car has its own advantages that aim to educate the public about flying cars. They also ensure that fuel is used efficiently and reduce the emission of harmful gases such as carbon monoxide. This means the driver does not have to go around bends or traffic signals, reducing fuel usage. Aerocars can also reduce the rate of air pollution and dangerous gas emissions caused by vehicle fuel. Aerocars can reduce the amount of infrastructure such as roads that is built. This is because as the number of vehicles on the road increase, traffic congestion will result. Aerocars could also aid the environmental preservation without the need for additional road construction. That's all from me. Thank you.